Taylor Swift appeared to struggle during her 100th show of the Eras Tour on Thursday night when she took to the stage at Anfield Stadium in Liverpool. Taylor Swift's fans in Liverpool witnessed what some have dubbed the most chaotic Eras Tour opening yet. The songstress experienced a turbulent Thursday night at Anfield Stadium for the landmark 100th show of the Eras Tour, combating gusty British weather that stirred quite the reaction from her social media following. Swifties are abuzz, claiming Taylor went through the most chaotic Eras Tour opening yet as she almost didn't go on the platform in time while belting out Miss Americana and the Heartbreak Prince. For Taylor's grand entrance, vibrant multi-hued fabrics danced around the stage. From this kaleidoscopic whirlwind, Taylor ascended from beneath and leapt onto a rising platform. A clip circulating online shows the star visibly scrambling to reach the lift-off point on cue, sparking worry amongst her audience. Social media was soon teeming with reactions, with one user commenting, "IDK if it's 'cause it's windy or if the platform didn't bring Taylor up in time. Or a combo of those things." Meanwhile, another spectator noted, "It looks like the first lift didn't bring her up fast enough. Cam, her dancer, had to step down 'cause it wasn't flush yet." A third chimed in with their experience. "The poor dancers were fighting for their life. That wind was horrible. I was frozen the entire time." Meanwhile, a fourth admirer commented, "I am always in awe of how professional they are. Still got her on the platform in time. So impressive." Taylor's battle with the notorious British weather continues after her trio of sold-out performances in Edinburgh, which forced a swift change in her wardrobe for the TTPD set. Following the first night's bout with hand cramps due to the chilly Scottish air, Taylor smartly added gloves to her ensemble before her acoustic numbers. For the subsequent shows in Edinburgh, Taylor donned black gloves paired with her bespoke Vivienne Westwood dress. Yet, she surprised fans last night by opting for a striking pair of white gloves instead. Unfortunately, her cold weather gear wasn't quite enough as she was also battling a runny nose during a key part of her set. Before a surprise medley of Cornelia Street and Maroon, she wiped her nose with a tissue and assured the crowd, "We'll be fine."